Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Gravity Forms tracking scripts, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Gravity Forms tracking scripts, first, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section from the left sidebar. Locate the Gravity Forms plugin in the list of installed plugins. Click on the Deactivate link under Gravity Forms. Once the plugin is deactivated, proceed to the Settings menu. Select Tracking from the Gravity Forms settings options, if available. You may need to look for any specific tracking settings related to Gravity Forms. If tracking options are present, ensure they are disabled. Next, go to your theme files by accessing Appearance and then Theme Editor. Find and click on the functions.php file in your active theme. Look for any custom code related to Gravity Forms tracking scripts. Remove or comment out those lines of code to prevent tracking. After editing functions.php, check for any additional custom scripts in the header or footer. This can usually be found in Appearance and then Customize. Select the Additional Scripts or Custom Scripts section. Remove any scripts that are linked to Gravity Forms tracking or analytics. Once all tracking scripts are removed, save your changes. It's advisable to clear your website's cache to ensure changes take effect. You can also use a caching plugin for optimal results. Finally, verify that no tracking scripts are present by inspecting the source code of your site. Use your browser's developer tools for a thorough inspection. If everything is done correctly, Gravity Forms tracking scripts should no longer be active. Congratulations, you have successfully uninstalled Gravity Forms tracking scripts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.